So we are at this small size EMS factory. They are making about between 10 million to 20 million US dollars in revenue per year. And for this factory, they have SMT and all PCB assembly and also bulk screw capability. Now we are at their SMT line. They have 3 SMT lines. So this here is line 3. So for each of these lines, here's where they feed the bare board. You see, that's the bare PCB board. And this is where you do the solder paste printing. It's manual solder paste printing, and that's your stencil. And that's the solder paste. After your PCB is pasted with solder paste, you go through the SMT machine where they pick and place your component on top of your solder paste. This looks like a Chinese made or Taiwanese made machine. And then we went through the second pick and place machine because there are more type of component than these feeding slot numbers. And then you have this manual visual quality check of the pick and place. Some factories, they would have an AOI machine after pick and place. And here is the oven, different temperature zone for different components. This is a 10 temperature zone machine. It's oven, control oven. This is where the component gets this is the factory name. Gets solder onto the board, and that's it. This is the finished PCBA after the reflow oven, and they do have an offline optical inspection machine here for this DOI. Automatic optical inspection. So they will do this sample check of the solder quality. Okay, and here's the work instruction for various type of package. They have instruction, and this is root cause analysis. It explains what you should pay attention to in the AOI inspection, and what are some of the flaws that AOIs cannot identify. Okay. So this is their SMT assembly. Next, we're going to their final assembly line, where they do the post PCBA assembly, casing, etc. 你要上镜吗？ Okay. So after SMT, they have some through-hole process, also for PCBA, where you manually insert this through-hole component. A lot of LEDs. The LEDs 是什么产品？
这个是红外感应。
So after SMT, you would have this manual insertion. We have this manual insertion. They have these long leads. They need to manually insert. Here's their manual insertion line. That's a proper manual insertion in action. And then you will go through those are all through hole component. And then you will have this tray where you would put the manual insertion PCBA on and go through this reflow. No, this is a wave soldering machine. That's your wave soldering machine, and that's after the wave soldering. And they would cut the extra lead, and then would break the metal. Okay. Final assembly 是在这边。3楼. Okay. We're going to a U-shaped line, which is supposedly more flexible than traditional long line. Thank you. That's your final assembly after the PCBA. Oh, that's your that looks like a smart lock fingerprint. 有指纹的是吧？ Oh, this is your fingerprint smart lock. That's interesting. There's been quite a few of them on the crowdfunding platform. Oh, okay. 这个是给国外客户做的是吧？
对对。
It's kind of a thing now. Used to be pretty innovative, but a lot of people are doing that. 这个测试系统是客户搭的还是你们搭的？
搭的这个测试软件。
客户搭的是吧？So that's how they test the fingerprint smart lock, and this whole test system is provided by their customer. 不好意思。对。就这里是吧？那也没有很多产品在装。
这个是一体机，电脑。
哦。这个你们的角色是装配，
对对对。
但方案是
帮别人的。
别人的。所以方案是你们找的嘛，对吧？还是客户找好？
客户本来就是方案的。
哦，微部嘛，拿的是。
这边测试房。
OK， 测试房。星空 test room。哦。OK。所以成品组装就这一块是吧？
那边还有一个空间，一个无尘嘛。
哦，无尘是不能进吧？
对，
是吧？我们在外面看就好。哦，那台维他命机。
是，这是我们的测试盘，第2倍的。
烧录。
Ah,
PCB program.
PCB program.
Yes, station.
This is your PCB programming and testing jig, right?
Fixture, yes, yes.
So who designed this test
Customer
jig?
provide.
Customer provided.
Yes.
So you don't provide designing service for the test fixture. They have to design themselves.
Yes.
Okay.
But we also can, if they have the desire diagram, we can make the fix for them here.
Ah.
It's much cheaper, yeah.
It's much
We can-
cheaper.
Yes.
Okay. Looks like you could use more business here. 他那个手表那个锁一年能出个几万台吗
10万。
？10万啊？哦，那可以哦。
嗨，这是我们的。
啊，Hello，这个可以拍吗？啊，好好，你不拍了吧？